Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to time track in different methods on ClickUp. So let's say we want to time track. We can do this right here on two ways, because if you click right here on a task, you will find right here the time track. So now if you click here on add time and we fill in right here 4 hours, you can select right here save. And then we are having a time tracking right here for 4 hours. So that is the first way how you can do this. And if you click on it again, you have also right here that you can click on dates or maybe time at that day. Then from now, we have also a different way. And this is if you go back to the lists, we can click right here on the plus icon and then add right here time tracked. There we go. And then if you click right here on that, you will find right here a time track list for all our tasks. So right now, if you want to add time right here, we can do 1 hour. There we go. And we can do right here also 1 hour. There we go. And now we did the time track right here for all the tasks in our list. So these are the two ways how you can time track right here in ClickUp. Hopefully one of those was exactly the thing that you were looking for. So for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.